so we're just gonna see. Okay, we're getting some comments. We're just checking all of this. At the end of the day, Creative Studio Partner. I don't know what they have here. We're just gonna move it here. I don't know what's working. Is that chat? Okay, we're not gonna see. We're just gonna go on live. Why does it always create? Okay. Okay. Is it too loud? That's weird. Okay, live streaming. No, we're live. No, 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 no. Okay, so now the stream starts. I hope everything is working good. I'm just going to set everything up for the stream and we're going to go fast because we've got a lot of tasks to do. Before we jump into anything, let me just start sharing the stream with everybody. Where's the link for it? First, let me just see. One thing I do not get, if you go live, what happens? If you're going into live channel, what happens? Connect your encoder. Is it going to take me? Oh, this is my stream actually. So it actually puts it in there. So this part I like a lot. I could also see everything, so I'm quite happy about this. Okay, I thought I'm not gonna get it. So I'm just gonna go and I'm gonna take this link and I'm gonna share it with my team members. So today we're gonna talk about Vibecoding. We're gonna be using a lot of different Vibecoding platforms, different tools, and we're gonna be building a proper SaaS out there. Today we're also launching this. Just check it, vibeclub.lol, because that's the cheapest domain I could get, but Vibe Club. So the whole concept is that that this becomes the hub for Vibecoding movement. Every person who wants to Vibecode, they should just join it. They should add their startup here. So if you're joining in and you're part of the chat, and yeah, you could just add your startup here, and then we Vibecode together for as many hours as possible, and we just take it from there. Okay, boys. So that's how it's gonna be. I'm just gonna share it with everybody. Yes. Okay, I'm just gonna take it, pop out the chat. This is super important that I have everything configured. But obviously, as a start to any good stream, we're just gonna let me just ask. Can you hear background music? I like working with dark techno. I do not know if that's a good idea or that's a bad idea. But yeah, today the objective is today's day 6. Our goal is to finalize drums. We want to launch trydrums. Please move sponsorship at the bottom. This is something that we have to. How do I edit it? Oh, I have to edit it here for the streams. We're also gonna have a sponsorship button at the bottom. I'd love to have it so that just like you see Vibe Club Home to Vibecoding Movement, this is how it's gonna be. Vibe. I think I'm gonna use exactly the same colors and I'm gonna put it to Vibe Club website. But I think we're just gonna keep it simple. We want it super simple colors, and at the end of the day just change Vibe Club or LOL page a bit more. I think I do not like the word. If you go here and we're gonna start with Codex. So at the end of the day I use Codex. Codex is excellent, Cloud Code is excellent, but so far for me Cloud Code is not working that good. So I'm just gonna today build with Cloud Code, with Codex. So you're gonna see this. And I also have to sort out background music because that's important. In every stream that I come, I do not have background music. So I'm just going to add it as an objective, background music, and then you're going to see it from there. Chat, today we've been working 3 hours, 9 minutes just to show you what's the test. I also want to show you how YouTube is working. We're going to start posting a lot of things, but this is how the YouTube is working. We're going to go to LinkedIn, we're going to go to Twitter, we're going to check all the analytics, and we're going to see how it actually grows and what is the difference if you're streaming every day, how many views can we pull out, and if we can make it into a very strong movement. So that's the goal here. And ideally I want to stream everything. I want to stream 12 hours every day, but there's obviously a problem. The problem is I have a lot of meetings and I have to do a lot of admin work. So when you've got a lot of admin work, you've got a lot of meetings. Yeah, I don't know if I can stream and actually do that. So that's something that I try to figure it out. If I can do it, that'd be excellent. Okay, I'm told there's no background music. Let me just try to start this and then you tell me. This is royalty free music. Tell me if you hear background music because there's 2 macOS screen capture. Okay, there's no background music. Okay, that's amazing. We've already gotten some people in our stream, which is excellent. And now I'm just gonna, yeah, there's so much admin work that it just becomes a bit of a problem, you know. I'm just gonna post on YouTube that I'm streaming right now because the first thing is always marketing. We stream only because we want to market. And Vibe Club, I think I'm gonna change the colors of this, and I'm gonna maybe change the background of all of it. For example, right now there's codex. I want to show a bit more code there. I just want here to show a bit more code. So what we are gonna do, we're just gonna go open some code base that we have. Okay, let's forget about this. This we can't use. So we're just gonna be Vibe. We're just gonna what's Visual Studio Code. We're just gonna, if you think about the concept of Visual Studio, they wanted to always make it not as an IDE, they wanted to make that you can code visually. So that's excellent. And now with AI you can see it. I'm never looking at the code, but just for the aura I'm gonna put some, I'm not gonna put my database. So just for some aura we're gonna put some code in there just so that it looks a bit fancy. I know you guys like it. Okay, we're just gonna put it, what file am I in? Okay, because I was like, there's nothing. First time I'm looking at the code and it looks like there's nothing in there. Okay, this is also not black in color. Okay, we're just gonna keep it there. We're just gonna turn this ID because I want to take a screenshot of it. Settings, and we're gonna be profile. I think the tolerance to actually go into settings and change things is going to decrease so much because of AI. Nobody just wants to do any of these things anymore. It's just too annoying just going through everything and trying to figure it out. I do not care about an IDE themes. Okay, that's it. It was there already. So I'm just going to put a dark theme here. Dark, just, wow. Okay, amazing. Now this is it. I'm just gonna take a screenshot of some code base. We're just gonna take this and we're gonna add it to our stream just to have a bit of vibe, you know. So we're just gonna put it. I'm gonna just set it up. We're just gonna put it here. You might be saying this might look super ugly, but I think I have a plan here. So I'm just gonna put there. I'm gonna put the transparency back to really low. See, now it looks good. And now I'm just going to do this so that it looks like, okay, this is proper coding. This is proper coding. We're just going to go and do this also here so that it looks like, okay, this is proper coding. Okay, so we have this and we're just bringing it forward. Could you all hear music? Okay, could you all hear music? That's the thing. Okay. Bring to front. Actually, I wanted to use a different color. I wanted to use a color like this because then it's not too much. But I think today we go with this. What just happened? So we're just going to take this and we're going to bring to the front. I think that's good already. Layer, we're just going to move this. Bring forward. That's much better. Okay, now we're done. We're just going to download this. This is a 6 day of streaming, as you can see. every day there's one improvement, and that's the goal here, just to improve one per day. Okay, let's go here. Let's just download this page, and we're just gonna go in there. Shut up. I think I'll just start streaming also on YouTube on this platform. So we're just gonna take this, we're just gonna copy this. Okay, this is taking 7 minutes just to mark this stream. Okay, let's see. Okay, I think next time when I start my stream, I'm also gonna start at Instagram a bit. Okay, this is a bit messed up. That's okay. So that we could just put it there. Right now I'm using my phone specifically for this. Okay, so now we're done. We've just done this. This is good. This is really important. Okay, finalize drum background music. I need to sort out background music because okay. Let's see. Let's ask ChatGPT. Okay, so we've got Willow voice. We're just gonna check it. Okay, we're using Willow voice to just talk. Can you please find me lo-fi, no, dark techno or techno music which is copyright free, which I can use for streaming? I ideally want to download it on my computer rather than stream it. So yeah. Haha. I think I'm just gonna download this one. This is really, really good. I don't wanna, not right now. Okay, so we've got here, I'm gonna go here, I'm gonna say music. Okay, this is gonna be music for my stream, which I'm gonna save here. And I also want some lo-fi music. Lo-fi. Let's see if you like the music here. Okay, I'm gonna get this music because it's not too, it reduces the anxiety. I think this is the best. I'm just gonna take this and I'm gonna switch it on. We're just gonna, okay, we're just doing this. I'm just gonna go here. Can I put it on repeat? That's gonna be excellent. Can I do this on repeat? File, repeat, how to do this? View, how to display, playback speed, audio, trigger, pass, show, loop. Oh, amazing. That's amazing. That's what we wanted. I hope I don't get a copyright issue with this. I hope these guys are not trying to fix away, guys. But yeah, let's see. ChatGPT told me, so if AI is that bad, can't implement, then it's okay. I'm okay with the copyrights. It's okay. I guess I'm just gonna go to music and I'm just gonna start this. Nah, we're gonna start with techno. Okay, now I'm gonna I think it should be loud enough because I can already see in OBS that it is this screen I can see. I think I'm also going to, in the live stream section, I'm also going to say what are the analytics that we use. Okay, first I'm going to change this primary driver section because right now it's only okay. So I'm just going to go, this is the streaming section here. I'm going to show you I'm multi-coding everywhere. Okay, so let's, so if I go to this timer, so I've got this little timer set up to which you can see what I'm working on, everything related to that. What do you guys think about this Vibe Club banner? Do you guys feel like it's too much neon everywhere? I do not know why I like neon that much, but I'm not gonna lie, it's with a lot of attention, which is good, which we okay. But I also don't know. Let's see. How can I select this? It's a color, when you look at it, it just becomes bad fast. So that's the thing. Okay, so first of all, I'll just change these primary drivers here. Is it better now? I just changed the configuration, so everybody's telling me the music is way too loud. Okay, let me tell you. So this is a hub for Vibecoding. We've got vibeclub.lol. We just put everybody's company in there and the MRR. There's not a leaderboard. I do not like leaderboard the word. I'll just change from a leaderboard to list. because it sounds less aggressive. Also, create an icon next to name just to add color, just to add a bit more color, a bit more style. Okay, so that's how this whole page is. This is gonna be the hub for the whole of vibe coding community. I think I'm gonna just put this logo also in there. So if I go here, this logo that you see, Vibe Club Home to Vibe Code Movement, I think I'm just gonna take this, and I'm also just gonna put it there. I'm gonna put it on that website so that it's significantly easier. So when I go here, if I do share, download, current page. So we're just gonna do this. We're gonna download, and we're gonna streaming assets. Okay, I could just put it there, and then 1 second. Yeah, now. Yes, streaming assets. We're just gonna replace this. I think I have to, when I download it, I have to make a transparent background to make it better. Actually, I should just be cropping this. No, I should just be downloading this actually. Download selection. Transparent background, download. I'll just add this as a logo at the top. I think this is super good. So I'm just gonna go, I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna add this here, add files. We're gonna see the latest file, which is 7, today's 1743. Everybody says that Codex is not that good with front end, so we're just gonna test it out if it's the best model out there. Because I just told you to replace this Vibe Club with just that logo. I think that's gonna be good, because then people know exactly what this is, and all the resources for vibe coding, vibe selling, vibe marketing, they're gonna go into this Vibe Club thing. I think when I look at the stream, I think not everything is being shown, so I'm just gonna change the configuration a bit so that you guys can also see at the top all this information. Then it's much easier for you. Yeah, and maybe I don't wanna, maybe that's a bit too much. Okay, now you can see everything. So that's what we're doing. Perfect. So we just told it, and then I tell it to push to production, because then it automatically pushes to production. Everything is hosted right now on Netlify, and then we host it on GCP, because GCP gives us a lot of credits. So now my main goal is, so if you're done with that, then we're done with this task. When I go to Voho timer, which is this timer, I want to change all these primary drivers. I do not like it. Let's see if Codex can do a good job here. So I'm gonna go right now, and I'm gonna go to here. Can you please convert these primary drivers into sections? Vibe coding, vibe marketing, vibe selling. Okay, so that is it, and I'm gonna say daily stream is gonna be in there. Reels is gonna be part of it. 3 tweets, because we're gonna post every day together. 3 tweets, 10 LinkedIn messages. We're just gonna be my voice is an echo. Okay. I'm buying a. Hey, okay, let me try to change it. Hey. Yeah, can you tell me if it got better? I'm just trying to change the configuration. Okay. I'm not getting audio input capture and mic. What is this? Maybe it is.
Taking two mics. Okay, that's it. Can you tell me right now? I just changed some of the settings here, and I think that should help. Does that help, or did it mess up something more? Okay, so there's an issue
Issue
right
right
now.
now.
I'll
I'll
take
take
a
a
screenshot
screenshot
of
of
this
this
and
and
I'll give. I'll
I'll
give
give
it
it
to
to
AI.
AI.
I'll
I'll
give
give
it
it
to
to
Claude.
Claude.
Okay,
Okay,
chat.
chat.
We're
We're
just
just
gonna
gonna
ask
ask
AI
AI
because
because
OBS
OBS
is
is
already
already
very
very
hard
hard
to
to
understand.
understand.
If
If
I
I
go
go
here,
here,
people
people
in
in
my
my
stream
stream
are
are
saying
saying
that
that
I'm
I'm
getting
getting
an
an
echo
echo
and
and
my
my
voice
voice
is
is
right
right
now
now
too
too
low.
low.
Can
Can
you
you
please
please
tell
tell
me
me
what
what
should
should
I
I
change
change
here?
here?
These
These
are
are
the
the
configurations
configurations
that
that
I've
I've
shared
shared
with
with
you.
you.
And
And
please
please
tell
tell
me
me
I'm
I'm
a
a
proper
proper
noob
noob
in
in
OBS.
OBS.
So
So
let's
let's
see.
see.
Thank
Thank
goodness
goodness
for
for
AI.
AI.
I
I
don't
don't
have
have
to
to
think
think
about
about
it,
it
and
and
I
I
don't
don't
have
have
to
to
learn
learn
about
about
all
all
of
of
the
the
tools
tools
which
which
are
are
out
out
there.
there.
Microphone.
Microphone.
Okay,
Okay,
the
the
speaker
speaker
icon.
icon.
For
For
example,
example,
what's
what's
the
the
speaker
speaker
icon
icon
doing?
doing?
Speaker
Speaker
icon.
icon.
Click
Click
the
the
speaker.
speaker.
So
So
I
I
have
have
to
to
click
click
on
on
the
this.
speaker. Oh,
Oh,
so
so
this
this
is
is
the
a
speaker.
speaker.
Okay,
Okay,
because
because
we
we
have
have
too
too
many
many
of
of
these
these
open.
open.
Okay,
Okay,
now
now
if
if
I
I
remove
remove
it,
it,
audio,
audio,
mic.
mic.
Okay,
Okay,
now
now
if
if
I
I
do
do
this,
this,
first
first
mute
mute
audio.
audio, give my
What
What
about
about
music
music
which
which
I'm
I'm
running
running
on
on
my
my
MacBook?
MacBook?
I
I
want
want
it
it
to
to
actually
actually
also
also
be
be
shown
shown
there.
there.
Please
Please
tell
tell
me
me
if
if
this
this
configuration
configuration
is
is
correct.
correct.
Okay, I'm asking AI if this is correct, and we're gonna know.
One of the Macs.
Okay, now it should be good.
I think now it should be good based on AI. Tell me in the chat. Oh, amazing. Oh, amazing. So this is how it has to be. Do you also hear background? Do you also hear background music? My goal is in the future, this stream becomes a party. All the vibe coders come here and this becomes into a proper party where we celebrate, where we get thousands of people on the stream at every point and we're all vibe coding and we are sharing all our learnings. Okay, no music right now. Hey, okay, so I'm telling AIs that you're mentioning that it's not working. Okay, tell me if you're seeing echo, if you're seeing anything right now. Uh, okay, this is good. This is harder than I thought. Sometimes ChatGPT just takes you in a circle. I just want to. Okay, do you hear a lot of echo? Is my voice way too low compared to background music? Okay, now we're gonna get back and we're gonna see if things are working good. Okay, so now, okay, vibe selling. I'm just gonna put in vibe selling to LinkedIn post. Now that's one YouTube video. Okay, that's something that we're gonna add. I think daily stream we are gonna add in vibe coding because that's part of it. Vibe selling. Then what is vibe selling? 10 LinkedIn messages, ads. That's what it is. Okay. Yeah, just make categories like this and then show us. Then it's gonna be perfect. Okay, so now in Woho Timer, we're gonna completely change it like this, but let's go and see this. Did it work? Did it add it properly? Let's see. I'm gonna hard refresh it. Oh, okay, this is actually good. This is exactly how I wanted it to be. Vibe Club, home to Vibe Club, move, home to. Okay, this is good. I like this. Obviously, we could make it even better, but I think maybe I should make it a bit bigger. No, I think it's good. I think I like it. Yeah, list of startup founders, all of this. I think for avatar, we could just add something like this. Actually, this is at 27 MRR. Actually, 36 here. 986 MRR. It's updated. Updated. Also record historic data because we are going to show charts of these when we click on the start. Okay, so we're gonna see a chart. So when I click on this, what's this? Okay, this is opening that up. Okay, chat. So my goal is that when you click on it, it's gonna go to another page, which is gonna look like Notion-based design. Obviously, we've got this all at the top, but it's gonna add all of that in there. And once we have this, all of this information, then it's gonna just, all of these companies are gonna become more interesting. Also, I think for all these founders, we're just gonna start adding LinkedIn, Twitter. So when somebody clicks on the founder's name, it also opens up a page. I think that's good. Also, please set it up in such a way that when I click on a founder's name, then a separate page, then the page opens for that founder, and there it's just a bit of information about that founder. And we have the LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, all of this. And this is, yeah, this is how it is. I think going forward, we're going to set it up that people can automatically do it. So people can just start recording everything in there. So if they want to create their profile, they can just create their profile. Once the profile has been created and it has been verified by us, I think maybe that's not even required. But the startups, when they're published, they have to be verified. So we can put all the founders in there. All their information is in there, and their startups, all of this information is there, so that if they need help with anything, yeah, we can all support each other. Leaderboard, change the name of leaderboard everywhere from leaderboard to list of startups, or just lists. Live streams. Oh, I'm pushing all of these live streams also here, so that's also good. Upcoming soon. Okay, how do we connect all of these live streams to actually the live streams which are there? Okay, these are resources. In the resources section, can you please make sure that the filters are more like marketing, TikTok marketing, coding, selling, things like this. That's the goal. That's the goal here, and not make it too technical. So that's the goal. Also, automatically write when people click on it. For Vibecoding, always mention that Lovable is really good, Kasa is good. When it comes to modal, there's Cloud Code, which is good. Codex is also excellent. So just mention this because we're testing all of them out here. For TikTok marketing, just there are some articles which I'm gonna share. So because I saw them on Twitter, we're just gonna link those ones. Actually, let me just do it right now. So if I go here, that's super cool. Grok build app. Oh, what is? Oh, so Grok is gonna have their own app. We're gonna test out that app also. That's gonna be fun. Wow. Let's see where he mentions it or it's fake. So they're gonna have their own terminal. Okay, this space is becoming competitive. That's gonna be a lot of fun. Grok is becoming really big. Okay, we're gonna test it out here because this is the hub for vibe coding movement. We're gonna see. Okay, so we're gonna test all of this and then we're gonna see how it happens. This is gonna be fun. Okay, but I'm here because I want to look at some of my bookmarks. I've got some proper bookmarks. Let me just see. Okay, we can also can you also have a filter just for the list of accelerators, because we need that. We're gonna have all of that also there. Okay, for accelerators, I already know what I need. How to go viral on X. To go viral on X, check out this. Try to scrape information from this tweet and also link this tweet. I'm gonna add all of these things in there. I want to see all my bookmarks. I can't find what I'm looking for. This is what I need. We're gonna link it. Also link to this tweet because we got information from here. So this is gonna proper become a hub for everybody to vibe code and build their startups. That's gonna be excellent. And this is gonna be for vibe marketing, which is gonna, yeah, check this. We're gonna check this, and let's see if it could actually go try to scrape information from there, but also give link to the original tweet. So yeah, we're pushing traffic, so we're not doing that bad. So yeah, see. Okay, I'm just gonna do it. I think after this whole vibe club is already done. I think I could just say that we've already done everything here that we could have done. I think this is already good. Now we're gonna move on to the next thing. Okay, if you're gonna go here, yeah, this is okay. So why? Yeah, I think I need to change that. Yeah, I think I'm gonna. Actually, should I just, okay, let me just add the fab icon. That's the last thing that I'm adding. After that, we're done. We don't want to do anything else. Okay, I'm just gonna take this. I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna ungroup. I'm gonna delete all of this. I think, yeah, this is good. Yeah, I think vibe is gonna be. I think it's gonna be vibe. I think I like the rather than V, we just make it like this. Okay, I think it's not gonna come. Yeah, I think this is good. This is a fav icon. This is a kind of fav icon that we need. Okay. Yes. Okay. We're just gonna go. We're downloading. Actually, Canva is one of the best subscriptions I have because it does everything. I use it so much for all the designing. For people who are not the best designers, this is actually the best thing. Okay, I'm just gonna add this here, and I'm gonna tell it. Please also change the fav icon to actually this icon. Actually, if we start hating that neon color, we could always come back to more of this purple. I think purple is much safer. Okay, I think now we're done. I'm just gonna go in here and I'm gonna finalize this task. We've got vibe page a bit more. Okay, this is done. This is done. Background music, this is done. So two things which we wanted to do. It was taking a long time to do it. These two things tasks are already done. Primary drivers is also been changed. Let's see if it has been pushed to production. Let's see. Yeah, just pushed to production. Let's see if it was already automatically pushed to production. That's something we have to see. No. So that's what it's gonna be. Please put moving sports sponsorship at the back. Okay, I need to have a moving sponsorship right at the bottom. How do I want it? I want that. I do not know how to add it. How to add this, but that's gonna be in black and white. Okay, and we're gonna do it as like they have this sponsorship. I think I'm gonna do black and silver. Okay, let's go because this stream also, my goal is that yeah, we are also gonna have something moving there. Because this is also gonna get monetized. We're gonna monetize everything. We're gonna monetize everything. Okay, so this image is image breaking. Okay, this image is here. We're gonna add it. I think we're gonna have the same size as this, and it's gonna be a ticker which is moving, which is just right now. Yeah, this is gonna be my sponsor, Vibe Club. And then we're just gonna have a ticker, you know, that news ticker that everybody has. We're just gonna have a ticker like this. So that's the plan. We're just gonna have a ticker. We're gonna move things up. Vibe Club is gonna be one of the biggest things, so we need sponsorship. Everything has to be sponsored. I think I'm also gonna start wearing shirts, which is like, hey, just sponsor something. I'm just gonna wear your shirt, even if I have to. But yeah, we need a ticker. That's super important. And this ticker is gonna be one of these news stickers. Let's see if Canva can help me find a ticker. Moving news sticker. Oh yeah, I need those news stickers. It just keeps on rotating, but it has to be an MP3 file. Okay, now I think we're gonna go to home. We're gonna go new, create new sticker. New sticker. What is this? Okay, maybe it's in the elements. Because I searched for it before. Ah, it should be in the videos, no? Ah, no, not like this. New sticker, which is just moving. Yeah, something like this, but a bit more horizontal. And I can edit it. Can we make that? Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna create a ticker later. Okay, so we're gonna have a ticker there, which is excellent. So I'm just gonna put the ticker. I think that's gonna be something which we do a bit later because I want to get back and I really want to launch drums today. Okay, and we have not even started it. So okay, put moving sponsorship. Okay, I'll just click it on tick because I already assigned the task to. I think I'll just put it because I just want to solely focus on drums. And I could just move sponsorship at the bottom for the stream. Okay, yeah, because I just already assigned the task, so it's gonna be done today, and then we're gonna have this moving ticker. Then we are done. Okay, this is done. Okay, this is how the whole stream looks like. Amazing. Um, okay, so now we're gonna push to production. This is we just have to tell it push to production because it's not gonna automatically do it. Okay, done. So we're done with everything else. Now the only thing left is this thing. This platform we have to build further. This is something which has been lagging a bit, but yeah, this is something that we are further building. This is a vibe marketing, vibe selling platform. So we're gonna work further on this. This is gonna automate all of the. This is going to automate all the UGC ads that you want to make, any ads that you want to run, all of them, they'll all come here, and then we're gonna change it significantly. So this is something that I want to also finalize today. But before I jump in, I'm gonna go and grab some water, grab another coffee, because this thing, talking for this long actually requires much more energy than one would think. Okay, so I'm putting it back in 5 minutes. Okay, I think I should just you should start using our own branding. I should use the purple color. Should I use the purple color? That's gonna look like the ugliest thing ever. Oh, I like it. It's not bad. Yeah, just let's see how it looks. Yeah. Oh, I could have just. Okay. Back in. Okay, now we have a lot of neon, a lot of purple. People are gonna be like, this guy's crazy. I think this is too much. Not gonna lie, it's too much. Back in 2 minutes. I think this is it. You don't want it to cut on it. Maybe I'm gonna remove the neon colors also going a bit forward in the future. We're just gonna use them spin. Okay, this is bad. Okay, so now I'm gonna be back in 4 minutes. Okay, back in 4 minutes. Okay, so you can check it. Until then we're gonna see how everything is working. So we're gonna figure out what's the output for this, if the primary drivers with codecs is work properly, or this is finalized. Let's see if it is finalized. We're gonna see, and we're gonna start adding more and more people to this list. And after that, we're gonna just launch it. We're gonna post it everywhere. Should I post it on product hunt? Let's see. That's the goal. News channel ticker movie, because I just want to say what exactly it is, because it's usually on usually it's like it's a thing which is always moving. Do we have it? Can I see BBC Live? Can I watch BBC Live right now? Okay, I can watch live news. I didn't know this. Actually, I don't want to watch them, but yeah, just show me live. Nothing is live right now. How can I see live news? I can't see live news. What are they doing if they're not putting this live? I thought they were live streaming all of it. Ah, okay, nothing moves actually here. Will war make holidays? Now we know what the British are worried about. Their holidays. Okay, so how do I actually find it? TVPN. Okay, let's go to TVPN. Let's look at their YouTube channel. Look at, oh, one second. This is what I want. Look, yes, this is what we wanted. This is what I want. Okay, this is what I want. Okay, so this I'm sharing the link here. This is what I want. This is okay. We're just gonna be back. Oh, they even have a trailer, which is really good. Okay, that's amazing. Perfect. Let's see. Let's see. So I'm gonna make all of that, and then we know what's up. Okay, perfect. So we've got 15 views, 2 content views. Okay, that's good. We're starting somewhere. Chat rate is 1, average view duration. Okay, that's good. Okay, so average view duration is good, and we're gonna push more and more people. Right now, there's not that many people, but yeah, we're gonna mention everything daily, and then we're gonna take it from there. Okay, and then I'm gonna launch drums. So let me just come back, and then we sort everything out, and we take it from there. Okay, see you guys. Ooh. Okay, that's good. Now we got background music. We got everything. The stream thing is happening. Okay, we're gonna go back to drums and we're gonna start building it. This is it. This is already good. We're just pushing to production, guys. I needed some energy, so it was really good that I just went. Oh, I forgot my water and coffee. Amazing. You know, while I went out, somebody came to a home, so I had to spend time. Okay, this is push to production. We're gonna go here. Then I'm gonna go drums. Okay. This is also happening. Okay, so we've pushed everything to production, so we have to see if this is all working. I want to see how it actually makes. Oh, vibe marketing. Okay, vibe coding, daily stream, vibe selling, 10 LinkedIn messages. Okay, this is what we want to do. I like this. 3 reels, add 3 tweets, 1 LinkedIn post. So this is it. Also, all these primary drivers should be cancelable. What is it? Should be when we click on them, be crossable, so that we can see what has been done and what not. Okay, that's amazing. We've got this also happening, just like this. And finalize drums. Okay, now I want to launch drums. Yeah, so let's go. We're just gonna launch it. I want to launch this whole app. This whole app now. What is remaining? What is remaining? It's so funny because I also don't know what is remaining. Because I was last working on this app almost 4 days ago, and now I want to launch it tonight. So let's see if we can launch it tonight in the stream. But we also have another launch, which is vibeclub.lol. Maybe in the future we're gonna buy a better domain, or we're just gonna keep it like this. But yeah, this is it. We're just gonna go here. Today launch. Vibe Club. What is Vibe Club? Which is home to Vibecoding movement, daily streams, and build a community of other vibers, vibe coders, and vibers. Vibe Club is not. Vibe Club starts with vibe coding, then goes to vibe marketing, vibe selling, and vibe running the business. Check it out here. I've seen people that they're not adding URLs here. So vibe club.lol. Okay, this is it. So we're gonna be vibe coding. We're gonna be streaming. So vibeclub.lol. This is it. Should I create an article for this? I do not know if it's a good idea to create an article. Okay, let me see if it's super easy. I'll just tell Claude to write an article. Let's see how it does. Based on the information I've provided above, just create a Twitter article that is really convincing, goes viral, and really conveys what this Vibe Club is going to be. So yeah, please create an article which I'm gonna copy and paste and put it inside X. Maybe I have to say it's X. Okay, whatever comes up with, because we've got limited time, I'm just gonna post it, because then we're also done with something which we wanted to get done with. These are the primary drivers. 3 tweets will be done. Maybe I could also post it on LinkedIn. But I've not posted on LinkedIn in 5 million years, so maybe let's see how we post about this. Bro, this is so cringe. What's an article? We're not creating a post here. So if I post, can I post? What do I have to post? Everyone. Okay, I'm gonna. How do you create an article on Twitter? Actually, X, Twitter, clean Twitter. I need to remove this because right now, as you can see, my Twitter is. Yeah, I hate the For You page. As you can see, I have it completely removed. And this is x.com, but I've changed it to Twitter as much as we can. Hi. Am I still muted, guys? So we're gonna see if we're still muted, and this is, I hope not, that would be super sad. Okay, that's amazing. That's a bit uncalled for. Okay, so now articles, that's it, that's why I want to have it. That's why I want to have it. I hate all of this. I hate all of this. I do not want to see, because this is always something that's distracting us all the time. How much information would you pick up? Okay, perfect. So now I'm just gonna go create an article, and I'm gonna say, oh, I have a lot of them in drafts. What are they doing in these drafts? Okay, so I'm gonna write. Okay, so let's see. I want to create Twitter articles or X articles. Do you know how X articles are written? They're really long articles. I've also attached a screenshot of how an article has to look like, so please also add this in there. So yeah, just create an article which I could just publish, and that's it. Okay, so now this is going to create this article. We're going to put it out there. I've already told what it should target. So we're going to see how this actually does, because once it is doing this, then it's going to be good. X articles are long term format, not reach. Okay, so it's writing all of it, which is excellent. And yeah, look at this. Oh, I love this. I love this. Yeah. As 5, actually, I want to change it once again. As 5 icon text, as fav icon text, add Vibe Club for homepage. As text. Also, the fav icon is really small. Can you please make it bigger? And then we are going to say push to production. So we've launched it. Now we're going to go back and we're going to look what article was created. Or okay, so we're just going to copy paste it. Vibe Club movement is here. Amazing. So I could just copy paste all of it. Copy article text to clipboard. That's amazing. I think I'm just gonna do this. Okay, this was the worst. This was the worst copy paste that I've come build with us. Okay, should I even read this? Should I just copy? Oh, this is the first time I copied it. I didn't copy before. Or maybe I'm messing it up. Actually, Control Z. Okay, what happens? Okay, it's already bad. Maybe I copy it, but just like copying it like this. Yeah. How do I copy this? What do I do? What if I do it like this? Ah, this is much better. I guess not. So I can't copy paste it. Okay. So that's actually worse news than ever. But I'm just gonna copy it here. It's okay, we can just remove it. Okay. The event starts now. This is okay. This we need in bold. Okay, I don't have extremely a lot of time. First of all, to Vibe Club. Okay, we're just gonna do it like this. What is Vibecoding? Vibecoding is shortcut. Okay, this is you don't want too much spaces. Yeah, and I can take screenshots of it, so it's simple. Okay, I'm giving me a timer that I'm not going to spend another more than 5 minutes on this article, because this is not my favorite part. I just Yeah. Should I give my name of my company? Is it good? .lol is YouTube who done uh, okay, the full roadmap. I like it. I think I'm just gonna copy paste this. Okay, my goal is that I get done with it in 10 minutes. Let's see. No, 5 minutes. But actually, why is it about teaching? Crap, this is stupid. Okay, guys, I'll be honest. I'm not gonna spend more time on this. Okay, this is it. This is how it is. Right club. Okay, we needed an image. Yeah, I think that image was already very good. I think I'm just gonna take this image. Anyways, I've got 3 minutes 10 cents to actually do it. Okay, so this article is published and we're gonna see what it does. Okay. Oh, that's bad. Okay, can I just have it like this? Okay, I'll just put it like this. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I don't like it. Let's go. Whatever this comes in, I'm just gonna upload it because wow, this looks so excellent. This looks almost perfect. Damn, even I'm impressed. See? Oh, they put those images too. Oh, put those screenshots too. Okay, it's okay. It looks really good actually. Now when I look into it, it looks much better. Okay, I'm just gonna post this article also here. Let's go. Okay, now we're done. I wanted to post this. Now we're gonna just check. I'm just gonna cancel all of trydrums. Can't I just click on it? Let me see. I already told it push to production. Push to production. Push to production. Okay, for how long have we been streaming actually? We are streaming 1 hour 27 minutes. That's excellent. Yeah, that's excellent. We've got 1 hour. Yeah, we've got 1 hour. Yeah, but it's good. We got a lot done. We got this whole thing sorted out. It looks like it's properly launchable. We wrote an article which is excellent. Which is excellent. And yeah, we're starting drums, and we just changed everything here, and we're also changing. We're just changing also how everything looks like, how the whole stream is gonna come across. So white club and Vibecoding movement, all of this. So it's gonna be, and maybe in that article I should also mention streaming. Maybe I should also change YouTube because we're just gonna focus a lot on this. Let's see. So we're just gonna go here. We're gonna say your channel. Day6 Vibecoding. Yeah, it is. Okay, this is it. This is already good. It's being live streamed right now, which is good. Okay, 5 minutes are done. We managed to do it in 3 minutes. Actually, yeah, I'm also super excited about Grok. What's happening? I think maybe it's time that I. Oh, it created its own fab icon, Vibe Club. That's excellent. That Codex is creating its own. That's excellent. Don't know how it did, but it knew about the colors, it knew about everything, so that's really good. The voice has echo again. macOS screen capture. I just don't know how to solve for it. Okay, let's see how far are we from this YouTube monetization. Somehow this YouTube monetization feels like it's gonna take forever. Let's see. I just wanna see when is the YouTube monetization. 890 valid public work hours. Okay, this is the one which is topping. I think this month we're gonna be at 2K subscribers. I think by this month we've got 14 more days, but I think we can get monetized also this month. Let's see how it goes. But I think we'll have to put and advertise a lot everywhere. Okay, so now when I'm going here, let me just see how it works.
In the drawing room, I'm finding the ring.
Oh, thank you. Did you find the other two?
Which one?
There are two other rings too.
Yeah, I will find it.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, now everybody knows that I'm streaming, I guess. Okay, so I'm just gonna go here and I'm gonna click on daily stream. This is done. I'm gonna say 3 tweets. This is done. 3 reels, 2 LinkedIn posts, 1 YouTube video. Okay, this is we're gonna get to this. But the biggest thing is I wanna finalize drums. Okay, so let me just focus on this. Everything else is not as important. This is anyways done. When I click on it, when I click on this founder, yeah, build startup builder, nothing edit. Okay, this is it. Then you're gonna be when you're adding the default image of all of the founders and their profile, can you please make sure that you use different colors, usually pastel colors, so that it looks good. Also for startups, when we do not have the name or the logo, please use different icons with pastel colors. So there's still a lot of echo. I just don't know. And then we push it to production. So there's still a lot of echo. I'm just not getting it. Whew. Okay, we're gonna go back and we're gonna ask AI again. With this, ChatGPT has gone really bad, I'll be honest. Not helping me as much as I'd expected to be. Ha! 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 So there's only one audio because I'm not taking anything from here.
What happens now when I do this? Is the echo better? Is the echo better now? Hey. Hey. Then you're not gonna hear any music, okay? If the echo does not improve, then I'll have to end this stream and then start again because I just can't figure out.
Okay, I got it. I have no idea. I have no idea. I think I'll just get an external microphone or something to just sort it out, but it's like, it's super strange. Yeah, I don't know how to remove this echo. I don't know what's happening. Even ChatGPT is useless. Let's ask Claude. People are saying, because I'm streaming right now on YouTube, that there's a lot of echo in my voice. Can you tell me what settings have I gone wrong? Actually, I'm going to take all of it so that it has more context. And we're going to use Sonnet. If I use Opus, Opus is going to charge like 10 €10 just to figure this out. That's my feeling with Opus the last time I was trying. Oh, that's I think the problem. Properties. I want my screen capture, the macOS screen capture, to be also measuring and gathering, uh, because my Mac is actually playing music, which is all background music. I want that music to also appear as part in the stream. So then please tell me settings based on this.
Okay, most probably now you can listen to my voice. Is that true? Can you listen to my voice now? we always want this time to be extremely accurate, because then I know how long I've been working. It's really helpful to just have it all properly tracked down. So that's how we do it. So that's how it's done. Okay, chat, I'm also gonna grab some food because I need some. I was fasting the whole day. I guess these are the only calories I've had. I think today I've eaten 400 calories or something. Actually, nothing more than that, because I'm trying to lose 5 to 6 kilos. I'm right now 82.5. My goal is to get to 77 at least, or 78. So yeah, I'm fasting a lot and only focus. But honestly, maybe I'll have to drink Cola Zero every day when I'm streaming. I don't know how bad it is. Is it super bad? Is drinking Cola Zero or Pepsi Zero daily, 500 milliliter of it, bad for my health? Oh, Opus 4.7 is there. That's amazing. So they've launched Opus 4.7. It has been launched. Claude has launched it. Okay, let's see if this is bad. Okay, I'm now very convinced by the response that I've gotten from Claude. So it's not good if I'm drinking Coca-Cola all the time, because I need some energy. Okay, I'm trying to find all the Vibecoder streamers. Well, let's see. So this is the best streamer that we have actually who's doing Vibecoding. Let's see. The runtime is what is this? If I go live. Oh, he's actually streaming daily. Let me try to subscribe to him and say, is he doing it daily? Ah, but he's doing the streaming. But he's not streaming that much. Oh, you can even put this chat up here. Oh, that's super cool. So we've got some streamers who are just putting like this. So yeah, that's good. How to do it right now with AI? Because I'm sure they're not. Okay, I have to see. I think they're doing very less streams. We're doing once a month or something, which is not enough. This is all the streams that they've done. Very big into. Oh, he doesn't have a stream. Oh, these are all his streams. How is he streaming? Oh, this is streaming in Mac. Yeah, in C. Okay, this is my competition. Old way of streaming. So these guys are doing old way of streaming. So that's it. Okay, so that's it. Yeah, I think the Bridgman guys doing actually good. Most of the they're not doing it. They're not doing it with the yeah. This is something that we're the ones who are doing it. They're not the ones who are doing it. Okay, so I'm Vibecoding. Okay, that's amazing. So I'm Vibecoding 4 products, and I want to share all of them and how I'm building. So okay, Claude says that I should be streaming, and this is a niche which is completely open, and we could do it. I'm still learning. I've done 6 streams. I want the voice to be perfect, and it has actually given me a lot of energy because then I can stream. I'm also setting up proper setup. I'm gonna set up multiple cameras. I've streamed 6 times today, right now. So this is good. What should attract investors, build my document, might build an audience. Yeah, we can do it everywhere. Yeah, TikTok or Shorts. Yeah, which platform are you consider? I'm also gonna post it on TikTok. We're gonna see if we can stream properly on TikTok. What's gonna be the method with that? Okay, so I need to always have it open. Now I'm gonna be. What is this? How? Okay, that's super cool. Okay, let me see. Is he also doing it on YouTube or is it only on Excel he's doing it? Okay, let's see. Because we're learning from all the competitors. Okay, he's also there. Day 2 live coding until I buy my family a house. Okay, so he's live here too.
Ineligible accounts not added. Including following orders not associated with Google account with account.
Yeah, I think that's super cool. I think good that I have a big screen because we could also, yeah. So we're also gonna just check all of this. We're gonna have the browser. Okay, but I'll get push to production. Push to production. So I'm doing it Day6. Okay, I'm also gonna subscribe to him. I think it's really good. When was his first stream? I just want to see how often is he streaming.
I already have myself added as a test user.
Unlike available. Okay.
Alright, I have 2 likes in the stream, so I need to do the full episode. I gotta set up the full up view.
Okay, that's good. Okay, that's good. Okay, so we can see all of this. How can I see all of these chats actually? I'd love to see what is actually the platform that all of these guys are using. Cloud is next. What does that mean? Cloud Opus is us. Oh wow, yeah, Opus 7 is actually released. I should just yeah, it's already released. Cloud Opus 7. Yes. See, Cloud Opus is released. We're all waiting for it. Okay, so we just gonna what's it? Yeah. Yeah. Who? Come. Who? Come in. I'm streaming.
What?
I'm making a YouTube video. Yeah, I'm streaming. I'm live right now.
You're doing work?
Look at this. I'm here on YouTube. I'm streaming.
I see that. Come outside.
That's why I've got camera.
I see. I come outside.
People are watching. I can't leave. Okay, what do you want? Okay, I'm gonna come in 1 second. By the way, what is this? Why is this also here? Okay, so I'm seeing all of this. Crowd office is there. Microism. Okay, crowd is here. We're just gonna follow. Let's see. Okay, let's just be nice to them. Okay, so I've got this. Okay, so that makes a lot of sense. And then we're gonna, what is this? Restream and Streamlabs. How much they cost, and which one should I select? Because at the end of the day, I'm gonna use all of them, and I'd much rather. Yeah, I think this is not bad. Restream is not bad. Oh, it's gone even cross button. Okay. Okay, this is not bad. We're just gonna test it out. Okay, then guys, I'm gonna fix the echo problem by going through Restream. So that's the thing. That's how it's gonna be solved. For now, we're just gonna go in there. We're just gonna go here. we're just gonna build this product further. So I've got codecs here, it's running, get pushed to production, already in production. So this has been built. Vibe Club, I'm just gonna go here and check what has been built. Submit your starter to open form, yeah, this submit should be should just be a small button on why do I need this? Remove this only because we already have submit starter at the top. Also, can you make sure the color of button is pastel right color, so that maybe color to give it attention. So that's it. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go here and we're gonna start putting it there. That's gonna look good. Actually, maybe we don't want to do that. Maybe, yeah, this is something I don't want. Anybody who's part of it, they can just join it here. We're just here. We're just gonna go back to codecs and we're gonna start building drums. Now we're not obviously mentioned that drums is right now looking like this. We've got the whole platform here. Maybe I should just okay, I think I should just get out of the stream, try to fix the echo problem, and then only I start the stream and I start building on this. I think I'll also download Restream and start streaming with it on 2 different channels. I think that's much better, and maybe then the audio problem is already solved. So yeah guys, I'm just gonna do that and we're gonna take it from there. Okay guys? Okay, perfect. Then see you guys again.